by Annie Award-winning and British Animation Award-nominated film director Nyendo Muki, who brings animated stories to life through the use of mixed media and digital animation. Partner with fellow artists as we create a collective animation through painting, drawing, and collage, develop the soundtrack, and even have your art on display at the St. Louis Art Museum. It's time to share your story. All you have to do is sign up. You won't want to miss this incredible opportunity.